Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the last class, I discussed about the chemical properties. In the two types of bond breaking is there, one OH bond breaking and second one is the CO bond breaking. So I will discuss about the first one, the OH bond breaking reaction. Number one, OH bond breaking. This is nothing but bond breaking. Okay, this is called OH bond breaking reaction. Now, this is nothing but acid-base reaction. This is also because alcohols are very weak acids. That's why there is no much discussion about in any books. Its acidic nature because it is very weak acid. But keep in mind, inorganic acids are stronger than the organic. Anyone. For example, what are the inorganic acids? H2SO4, HNO3. HCl, HBr, HI, phosphoric acid, somewhat. These are strong acids. If you take the carboxylic acid, acetic acid, formic acid, benzoic acid, and this alcohol, these are all weak ones. In that only some comparison we can do, which is more stronger, which is weaker. But compared with the inorganic, these are weaker ones. So it also indicates that acid-base reaction like this. Keep in mind, ROH. This alcohol react with the highly reactive sodium or potassium metal, then it gives RO minus. It means here bond breaking up, and this will be converted into. Sorry, I will write here. It's negative. Here one electron loss, and it gives Na+. Now it is negative in like this actually. Then it is which one? H plus. And here it lost one electron. Then again which one is it? One H. See carefully. When it like this is a negative, this is a positive. H is positive. But this is also converted into Na plus electron. These will be converted into which one? H plus and electron. H, this Na plus only is there. But we cannot write H. Always it is how to represent H. But how many items are there here? One. So how to write one hydrogen? Like this. Total two hydrogens are there. In two half how much? One. Actually this is one hydrogen. Got the point? So like this detailed expression will not give even in the text. Only this understanding purpose only I wrote this. But they are acting like this. Now keep in mind, this is somewhat acidic, but this is weak acid. Generally reactions are proceeded from strong acid to weak acid. If you let this reaction reverse, this reaction not takes place. That's why keep in mind always any reactions, acid-base reaction takes place from stronger acid to weaker acid. Otherwise, lower pK to pKa. You will learn in ionic equilibrium. pKa generally used for indicating its acidic nature. So lower pK to higher pK. Okay. So like otherwise, this reaction can be written like this: 2 moles ROH, and this will be 2 Na. That time this will be 2 RO minus this is Na plus and H2. 1 mole 1 hydrogen, 2 mole 2 hydrogen. That's all. But keep in mind this RO minus is strong base also and strong nucleophile also. Strong nucleophile also. You may be studying the elimination reaction in the first year, alkene preparation also. Otherwise, in the haloalkane chapter also, there are also properties of haloalkane in presence of this strong bases may be discussed. So this is strong nucleophile also and strong base also. That's why it is used in the elimination reaction also. It is also used in the substitution reaction also. Carefully observe. Even for example, R may be methyl, then methyl and O minus Na plus like this. Okay? This is one reaction. If you take this is methyl alcohol react with the sodium metal, then it forms CH3O minus Na plus along with this half H2. Okay, this indicating the acidic nature of alcohol. Generally, in redox reaction chapters, we will study that those are produce the hydrogen. They are also called what do you call acids. Otherwise, according to Lewis acid-base theory, proton donors are called acid. Now it is proton only donated according to HCl plus H plus. So proton donors are acid. That's it. They have a little bit acidic nature. Now take the ethyl alcohol. CH3, CH2, OH. If you can take here any other metal also, for magnesium, according to your text, whatever we are doing, you can take here sodium also, potassium also, no problem. Next, you will get here CH3, CH2, OMG. Here minus here, plus to make it should be 2 moles. This part is 2 moles liquid. Okay? But it indicates both. That's why. Next. Chris Glass method, you know that. How to write the molecular formula. Along with this is H2. Because 2 moles lost here, then it should be 2. Now consider here CH3, 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 OH. Tertiary butyl alcohol react with the aluminium, then it forms CH3, 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 O minus 1. Like this, how many liquid here? Aluminium valence is 3. That's why we can write here Al plus 3. It should be 3 here, it should be 1 here. Okay? So like if charge is there, no need to write this one like this. This remove the charge. Then only this like this. Okay? This is the form here. Along with the how many hydrogens will be eliminated. See here 3 are there. 3 hydrogens lost. Then is 3 by 2. Okay? Like this reaction you have to balance. All are elimination of proton. And it is called OH bond breaking. See, in all reactions, here bond breaking takes place. Here bond breaking takes place. Here. This is called OH bond breaking reaction. If you take phenol also, now take the phenol. This is the phenol. This phenol reacts with the sodium or potassium, then we will get O minus and here Na plus along with this half H. This is called sodium phenoxide. This is what you call this one. Sodium methoxide. This is called magnesium ethoxide. This is aluminium tertiary butoxide. Tertiary butyl this is. Aluminium this tertiary butoxide. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, tertiary carbon. So it is called tertiary butoxide. That's why aluminium tertiary butoxide. Sometimes they may ask name also. That's why you have to read all the things very clearly from the texture. Okay. So these are all indicating whether OH bond breaking and also indicate that it's acidic nature because proton donor is called what is that? Acid. So all these are different acid. But compared with the inorganic acid is a weak acid. But one more thing here. This reaction will be given here. CH3, CH2, OH along with this NaH. NaH is what is sodium hydride. Na plus H minus. Here, this will be converted to CH3, CH2, O minus, Na plus, along with this, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, totally converted to H. Clear? So like this it is formed. But compared with this reaction, with sodium metal, magnesium metal, aluminium metal, this sodium hydride, its reactivity is more than this one. If anyone very weak acid is there, that time also if you use, it gives a fast reaction. That's why sodium hydride reactivity is compared with this more. Okay? And one more thing you may be well know, pH inversion. Minus log of H plus N concentration. Similarly, pKa is equal Ka. Okay, so pKa and Ka are inversely proportional. Ka increases, pKa decreases. So Ka increases, pKa decreases. That is strong acid. Ka increases, pKa decreases. That is strong acid. Reverse. Ka decreases, then automatically pKa increases. That is weak acid. That we have to remember. Why this is I am explaining here, this is actually physical chemistry. But also here may be given, for example, A, B, C, D, 4 alcohols. Their pKa value is, one is minus 1.2, another is 2, another is, for example, 6, another is 10. Like this given. Which is more stronger acid? Question is, which is stronger acidic in nature? Then option A, option B, option C, option D. Then which is more acidic in nature? Here our statements are there. Ca means strong acid, Wa means weak acid. For strong acidic nature, what is required? Here I give pKa value. See, this is the pKa value given. Then lower pKa value is strong. Which is lower than? This is lower value. Minus is lower value. That's why A is a strong acid. If they ask the order of their acidic nature, then how to get the order of acidic nature? Which is stronger acid? If increasing order is A, next B, next C, next D. This is the acidic nature. Given higher pKa, weak acid. Lower pKa, strong acid. Okay? This is about the acidic nature and how to experiment with the pKa value also. Now, I think in the first year we will study the inductive effect, resonance effect. So, positive inductive effect group increases acidic nature, decreases. Negative inductive group increases, acidic nature increases. Next, minus or plus R group. It means resonance group, or in some maybe you will say mesomeric effect group also. Okay. So positive resonance effect group or mesomeric effect group increases, acidic nature decreases. Minus R or minus Me groups increases, acidic nature increases. Okay, this you have to remember. Actually, it depends on its stability. For example, this reaction consider. After loss of this proton, this anion is how much stable? If it is more stable, then it is more acid. This one, not that much acid. Keep in mind, already when we studied the ionic equilibrium chapter in Bronsted-Lowry theory, strong acid gives weak base, weak acid gives strong base. Conjugate acid base very useful. So that concept is very much useful here. Keep in mind, strong acid gives which one? Weak base. Weak acid gives strong base. That is it. So anyone compound is stronger acid, after loss of proton, that anion should be more stable. If it is more stable, then it is stronger. Less stable, that is weaker. Okay. So now consider this is a CH3, OH, CH3, CH2, OH, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Now carbon number increases. All are having this one OH. But keep in mind, all are inductive effect groups. But which type of inductive group is a positive inductive group? So positive inductive nature increases. Positive inductive nature increases. Acidic means what happens? Decreases. So this is more positive inductive nature. This is less positive inductive nature. This is less. That's less is a more acidic nature. That's why acidic nature order. Which one is stronger? This is stronger. Stronger. This is weaker. That's why you should know the first year well about this inductive group and resonance group, which is positive, which is negative. If you don't know, once again revise your textbooks. Okay. So this is one example. Now one more example. You know that this is CH3, CH2, OH. Another example CH2, F, CH2, OH. Another example CH2, Cl, CH2, OH. Now here three compounds are given. This part is same. This part is same. CH2H, CH2H in all cases same. But this is methyl. Methyl is which type of group? Plus IE group. It means electron donor group. This is which one? F, electron negative activity, minus IE group. This is minus IE group, Cl. But in this, which is more minus I? Fluorine or chlorine? Fluorine electron is more electron withdrawing group. That's why its minus I group nature is more. Its minus I group nature is less. If you do number here 1, 2, 3, then which is the stronger acid? According to this, minus I group nature increase, acidic nature increase. That's which is more minus I, both are minus I is there, but fluorine having more minus I effect. That's right. Second is more acidic nature. Then third, next one. This is the order of acidic nature. Okay. Okay. So now one more example. That is CF3. Instead of hydrogen, I wrote here CH3 actually. Instead of hydrogen, I wrote fluorine. That is CF3, CH2OH. Another is here one H, here two fluorine. Instead of two hydrogen, I wrote two fluorine. And this will be CH2OH. And here instead of one hydrogen, one fluorine. And this is CH2OH. Now, these are the compounds may be given, and one more principle is normally CH3, CH2OH. One hydrogen replaced one fluorine, two hydrogen replaced two fluorine, three hydrogen replaced three fluorine. Now we have to decide that its acidic nature, which is stronger acidic nature, which is weaker acidic nature. Now, more number of negative groups, negative inactive groups are increased, acidic nature what happens? Increase. That's which is more acidic nature order. If you write, this is acidic nature order, because more number of negative groups increase, acidic nature increases. Now, one more example here: fluorine, CH2, CH2OH, CH2, fluorine, CH2, CH2OH, CH2, fluorine, CH2, CH2. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Now keep in mind, all the cases same fluorine is there, fluorine. Otherwise we can write down also this one. All the cases inactive group same is there, but you have to observe the chain. If this electron withdrawing group, negative inductive group near to the OH group, more electron withdraw and it makes them more stable for the anion after loss of H+. That's why if near is more acidic is far away is less acidic in nature, because when distance increases, the tendency to pull the electron will be less. That's why distance between these two increases, acidic nature will be decreases. That's why this more acidic nature, this is more, this less. This is acidic nature order. Now, CH2. See, all cases are different cases. Here, same fluorine, but less number of fluorine like is given. Here, all cases fluorine is there, but distance is there. Here, before whatever I given, all are negative index group, one may be chlorine, bromine, or fluorine, methyl group respectively. Both mixed is there. Positive also is there, and negative index group also is there. Now, NO2, CH2OH, CH2, CN, CH2OH, CH2 fluorine, and CH2OH, and CH2Cl, CH2OH. Now like this here, all are different groups these are. Number of carbons same is, but all these are electron withdrawing group nature or electron donor nature. If it positive inductive group or negative inductive group, you have to observe. If you observe, all are negative inductive group, but this is more electron withdrawing nature, more negative inductive group, less in minus IE group, less minus IE, less minus IE. Here to here, negative inductive group nature decrease. When negative inductive group nature decreases, negative inductive group nature increases, acidic nature, if decreases, decreases. That's why this is less acidic, this is more acidic. Okay? Now up to here, I think everyone well understood because there is no much difficulty because in sequence are only given here. Now the question, which is more acidic in nature. Question is, which of the following is more acidic in nature? Now the question is, all are alcohol example I explained here, but competitive exam all they will not use say alcohol. They may be mixed with the one chapter to another chapter. See, one first option is formic acid. Second option is phenol. Follow it. Now aromatic not just only now. CH3, CO, CH2, OH. Next, third one, there is H2O. Next, the fourth one, ammonia. See, all are different. Then how to understand their acidic nature? Here the question is very simple. That's why any one of us somewhat common sense is it will easy answer. Which of the following is more acidic nature? General acids are more acidic. No need to see remaining one. This is acid. This is more acidic nature. These all are not acids. That's why here it is simple. If this type of question answer, you can easily answer. But difficulty level from this question only, write the order, then this is a difficult question. This is anyway first known, well known, formic acid is acidic nature, okay. Now how to decide this? This is a question. Then how to decide? You know that strong acid is weak base, weak acid is stronger base. But one of the small hint I will give here, except methyl alcohol, CH3, remaining all alcohols are less acidic than what? Aliphatic alcohol. Keep in mind, all aliphatic alcohol except methyl alcohol all are less acidic than water. If you observe the pK value in the ionic equilibrium chapter, there you will know that higher the pK, that also will be here. Higher the pK, weak acid, lower the pK, strong acid. Its value nearly 15.7 pK value. These are having more less than. Sorry, this is less than 15.7 is less. The lower the pK, more acid. Higher the pK. These may be 16, 17, 18 like this. That's all aliphatic alcohol except methyl alcohol. They are weaker than acid. Then H2O. Next alcohol, because ammonia is base, you know that basic nature. Amine chapter you amine, so ammonia derivative. but it's amphoteric also is there. You may study in the first year. Ammonia act as an amphoteric also. Proton can donate, proton can accept also. But compared to the outcome is the weak amount. That's why here CH3, CH2, OH, next NH3. So like this question you have to practice. Directly in examination I can understand, I will write this is difficult. One simple question you can answer, but like these questions are given for normal students also, and those are preparing for NEET level also. This question is difficult only because others, all four options are looking like nearly same. They will write first this one, and this will be changed. In all cases, COH will be same up here, but these are front to back will be changing. You can't immediately analyze that concept which is correct. So now, one more example I will give. What is the one example here? HCl, another is CH2, CH2OH, Cl, another one is water, another one is CH triple bond CH, another one is ammonia. Otherwise, you can get alkyl ammonia, no problem. CH3, CH3. Like this given, which is stronger acid. If they ask a question, anyway, one statement already given inorganic acids are stronger than the remaining of that means inorganic will be stronger. No problem. If like this first question is which is more acidic nature, easily everyone can answer. But order if they ask, which is the stronger one. So what I will do is